have always been a dreamer for visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of the song and make them my own. I believe in our endings, though I always thought of you. For as rare as we are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the train so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I love you to save my day. Of my imagination, as we reach out so far, with a belly where there we hung in the air, did you from